starting off with washed and dried shrimp. Then I'm going in with some garlic, salt, ground black pepper, garlic powder, Cajun seasoning, accent, Old Bay, of course, and some Tony's Creole seasoning. Then I'm going in with Flavor God's garlic lovers, and then you're just going to take a spatula and mix all that up. To a pot of water, I'm adding a pinch of salt and a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. Here I cut about 1/4 of an onion. Then I am chopping up some green onions or some scallions. Here I'm cutting about 6 baby bella mushrooms. I forgot to mention that after I washed my mushrooms, I did dry them with a paper towel. I find when you dry your mushrooms before you cook them, they saute way better. All the vegetables, and you want to also mince 2 cloves of garlic and have 1/4 of a lemon. Now I'm going in and I'm cutting some turkey sausage in about like 1/2 inch slices. Here I'm throwing in my pasta. Now I have some avocado oil and about 1 tablespoon of butter with some garlic, not all of it. And I'm just going to put my shrimp in. Make sure they're not on top of each other. The pasta water kind of started boiling over. My shrimp have probably been cooking about 1.5 minutes, so I'm just going to go ahead and flip them over. Just going in with a little more of that Tony's Creole seasoning. The shrimp are done, so I'm just squeezing a little bit of lemon. So I took my shrimp out to that same pot. I'm going to add a little bit of avocado oil, and then I'm going to just throw my sausage in there. So here I'm just going to move my pot around just so I can make sure that oil is touching all of my sausage, and we're just going to let them cook. My pasta is done, so I'm going to go ahead and drain it. So my sausage is about done. I'm just going to go ahead and remove those from the pan. Here I'm throwing in my onion, my mushroom, and I'm just going to move it around. I'm going to add a little bit more avocado oil. Just moving that around, and I'm adding a little bit more garlic, salt, and pepper. Throwing in the rest of that garlic. Your vegetables should begin to sweat, and as you can see, we can scrape the bottom of that pan, get all that good flavor from the shrimp and the sausage. Here I added 1/2 cup of heavy whipping cream and 1/2 cup of reduced sodium chicken broth, and I'm just going to bring that to a boil. I'm just going to go in with 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. I'm not going to add all of it in at one time. I'm going to take my time, add it in, mix, add it in, and mix. Here I'm just using a whisk to make sure that cheese is getting melted into the sauce and make sure everything is blended and mixed well. Now it's time to put everything together. So I'm getting my noodles and I'm going to mix those in first. Next is the sausage, and make sure you're putting these ingredients in this order. Last but not least, our shrimp. And there you have it, a quick, easy garlic Cajun shrimp and sausage pasta. Sprinkling with a little paprika and then some fresh scallions for garnish. Don't forget to share this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.